Check out the BMW S1000RR ride-on trike. Wow, have we got a treat for you. Officially licensed from BMW, which means it has all the styling, stickers and badges you would expect. It is extremely well built with a ton of exciting features, including working LED headlights and 2 forward speeds, high and low. It's suitable for children of up to 4 years of age or up to 102 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, startup engine sounds, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function. Realistic multi-spoke rims. The bike has realistic race slick tyres, giving it that authentic superbike look. Just look at the attention to detail of the brake discs. Padded leather style seats. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.